It's sweet, it's sweet, it's sweet. And we'll get the one and only. You hear that soft voice already. The one and only, the legend is
What's good?
for the
It's
building.
iyanya. How far my people are they hail you?
We position. Hi everyone,
I did. Men mounts.
Once upon a new cat.
Once upon a cat.
Once upon a cat, right?
Yeah.
I don't think tire since I hear you say you release album Once Upon a Cat, and I'll be like, okay, out of all the things for the whole world to name your album Once Upon a Cat, you come sit down on top Joko, come be like say you naked, but your shadow nakedness. So I want to know what happened, Yanya. Why?
Well, make I hear my people first, but it's so good to be here.
Yeah.
So once upon a cat, as I work on the album with my team, can't define name, go drop this name no go follow, the other person go drop. So the old cats and new cats think on the trend.
Okay.
So when I saw one fan come tweet say, now where we go put Iyanya like this? Another fan come reply say, Iyanya once upon a cat.
Interesting.
So as we just hear, I'm saying we don't get our album name.
Wow.
Now we see me run ourselves.
But that guy, they get credit for that inspiration.
Yeah.
We shall post, we retweet in tweets.
It's it, right?
That's great.
Oh, nice. So
Wow.
everything just fall in place because you don't already they work on the
Album, yeah.
Album.
We don't need like 80-90%
Of the album.
Yeah, where we define name, things just happen like that.
So in as much as it happen like that, I understand where the idea for come from.
Yeah.
All the single on top this your new album feature new cat.
New cat.
Like every single of one young boys,
And young guys.
young guys when they pop, which
yeah.
equal to new cat based on that whole trend.
I get you.
That time.
I get you.
So now say you don't get these guys on top this record already, or you can't as the album as this name you at that time. Make this boy jump on top, make this boy jump, to push for him.
Not at all. So those boys now boys, because girls date where
girls
they
date,
listen to on my own. Because we they listen to everybody. I no matter the category of cats where you be, I they listen to everybody as long as they drop good stuff. So my team come boss me say we need names of people where they listen to. New guys where they listen to, because I don't work with almost everybody for
the industry.
So this time we just feel like make we support these new guys too. And they're very, very good and very talented.
Okay.
All right. So on the album now you get 13 tracks.
13 tracks,
the
13
album.
videos.
Yeah, and then only 2 ladies you actually work with.
Yeah.
Lola Ray and Queen Maddie.
3 ladies.
Who be the third lady?
Zerona.
Yeah.
So Lola Ray and Zerona are on the same song, Slowly.
Oh, okay.
And then we have King Maddie.
Okay. And the surprising act will be say me I see now Young
Young Dude.
Because we're here to talk about your album. How Young Dude take coming back?
Exactly.
Young Dude, talented guy.
Yeah.
That's one thing.
I be saying a cruise they do for TikTok.
I just
Yeah.
cruise, but not talented guy. You understand? So we don't listen to some of his stuff, some of his freestyles and all that. We're just like, let's have Young on the track too.
But
He was the last person to record an album. It was easy. Yeah. He come studio. He did very patient. He record. Yeah.
The reason why they ask because we know as portable they give people problem.
He don't run late portable.
Tony Montana.
So now why they ask? All right. You also work with Moonlight Africa.
Oh yeah.
So
Moonlight.
how the communication and
Moonlight's
the
a great artist. His pen game is crazy. He co-wrote the song that most of the songs on the project there. He's a great artist too.
Man. What do you mean most of the song on the project?
He writes very well, so
So he contribute to other artists.
Of course.
Yeah, I see Davas, T Dollar, Sound, Derry Black. I love that Derry Black.
Myron,
Myron, that's a
yeah.
pretty good.
She's
good
working on our project now.
Yeah, Melon. It just be like you carry every new card for the industry. Say let's work together, and I certainly know say for Iyanya to decide to work with new cards, they're not good thing you do for them. Let's just put it like that.
Yeah,
you guys almost like I be OG, whether you like her or not. Yeah. But let's do this.
Shout out to my CEO Ubi for the link up. My idea pretty much to say this time around I want us to work with I want us to work with new guys who are popping, new guys who are hardworking. See how we can, promote them too.
Okay, so we'll just take a step back right now since you make mention of Ubi. Yeah, we all know where to transpire way back. Oh, Triple MG, you go my way. Like you guys were having it. When I day here, literally the next thing. I think clash of interest happen. Oh, you do on your own. Who become do on your techno do on your Celebobo. Yeah, I think it was also part of Unacra. I don't know if he did part of the Triple G. Everybody you can scatter. Yeah. Then I noticed you can't try join this management company. I think Tempo.
Of course.
Was able to even do collabo with Maven, but that did not really go well. Bless you, not achieve una aim.
No, it did go well.
To an extent.
It did go well.
But not
it was successful,
Yeah. From but us won't be the expect big artists,
more,
you know how expectation they different.
More.
So you not go where then next thing bless you can't do on your own. So waiting make you and Ubi can't decide settle and work, but I say, oh, I feel say me and this guy working together, now they bring the best out of me. Let me go back, let me retrace my step, let me work with this, continue working with this guy.
You don't give
now he be the main coco. Go push for it now, you have been in.
They put me on the spot.
No.
Now my brother, you understand? Now somebody where I did listen to.
Okay.
Because he know the job. He know me very well. He know me inside and out. So over time, that somebody will be saying, say, as we work together, if I talk to him, they listen to me, and the other way around, we make a lot of progress. So we came together because I know, say, when we come together, we win.
It's different.
You understand? So that's the whole idea.
And of course, you did among those artists where we say, you started from humbling stage, like
Project Fame.
The Project Fame and the rest of them. And at a point, I think one interview they mentioned at a point, say you they beg to perform for shows before the old breakthrough and the rest of them.
Of course.
So how that one don't be, after that.
You know how it be now. Interview. For the industry, when you drop new song, people know they
regard you.
Know they too regard, especially if other new songs and new artists they out. People prefer it in the pop, and if you blame them, you understand. But you think that somebody like me will get the kind of catalogs where say you could do shows, but it was different. So what I learned for them is say you guys stay consistent. You guys they drop
heavily.
You if you stop. Because when you stop dropping good music, you could be like, say, day again. So now
I feel get a clearer picture of when you talk, say, Iyanya, they beg to perform for show. Certainly not be any show. Now, like, oh, your beg, this is not me, they try, just think. So, you're having show, let me come and support you. Now you may have been, they literally say, put me for this show, put me for this show. Like, what do you mean by say the beg for show?
The shows get different grades and ranking. So you get some shows where as artists you say, okay, if I climb this stage, right, I go reach out to a larger audience, and then you go reach out to the promoter like, have fun now, make idea on this, be on. They'll say, we don't get money. Sometimes you even say, me, I don't even want money. I just want
perform for
I want
free.
Just perform, make ginger. I understand, and they'll still tell you that it's not possible.
Wow.
You understand? So those kind of times like that, now they make artists they enter studio again, say, man,
drop.
We get work to do.
And with your catalog of songs, you mentioned at a point, say you want to do remix of all your songs from Kukere to the other songs where we say you they do. So and most of us still they wait.
Hopefully.
Because you talked that one last year.
Hopefully we still they work on all those things, but we just want to drop more new sounds.
Okay.
You understand? More new sounds, and then that one will come as a classic, or classical album one time. We just remix all the songs.
Okay. So with the release of this new album right now, Once Upon a Cat, how you go say the acceptance? Why they talk this? We say, Iyanya, we know what you they do, the wonders you they do during that year. The era not different right now because we don't really embrace a whole new level. Because at the time when you blow, bros, internet not be really streaming, not be really. When we see they play for CD, we see they collect the video,
tapes.
MP4, we'll send the video, Kukere, send out to Motorola, send out from there to VCD and the rest. So how you go say the acceptance of the comeback of Iyanya Don't Be compared to where you did before?
Bro, I did very thankful, especially few days ago. Is it two nights ago? I did the album launch for this album listing for this new album. People will come out.
At Vanity, right?
Yeah,
I see that.
Then come out, then come show me so much love, and now the kind of things with me I did thankful for. By the grace of God, is this is my 17th year
in the music industry.
By the grace of God. So I'm thankful for that, and I know say what I did today, I could still do bigger place tomorrow. Like the most important thing is just stay consistent.
Davido, no first we go talk about that.
Feel free.
Because at a point they drag you at a point for X, aka Twitter, based on that lady where you meet for Davido concert.
I swear.
Where you talked, okay, you just try to make her happy.
I just tried.
So waiting actually happened because at a point Twitter come on, on fire based on the going out with the lady. Some people talk say you collect her from the boyfriend hand. Some people talk say you do this, you do that. So if you tell us this,
did they collect woman from?
I don't know.
You see somebody
I did perform.
I
did perform. As I come on my glasses, I just see the way she did look me, like say she won't cry. I don't know. See, I swear. So me, for some reason, I just noticed say, this girl, hope she did okay. Now it's the first way come my mind. I don't see her shape. I don't see anything. Her eye, I see. So,
what's a caring man?
So I can't say I beg this lady will be look me. I beg make I because it be like say get everything God say make I do for you or do with you. You understand?
Do for you and do with you.
Yes, you understand.
Okay.
So she can't respond saying as you. My sister, I go find out say her papa get cancer.
Okay.
You understand? So that night, now one of the nights where she say me she just leave her papa. Just leave small.
Okay.
And now that show where she done the plan, say make I just go this show, make I go enjoy myself. Even if now only this night, then I go back to my papa the next morning. So now waiting I go discover. But so I got show I'm small love. You get me? But people think say because na iyanya na.
What do you mean by people think say na iyanya? Like
now only me where everybody feels say once I see woman like this, it don't be.
Why you always?
I don't know why. Meanwhile, the people where they cause damage, they quiet.
Oh yeah, I say go empty pocket. Even though say empty and bank account studio pocket different from bank account.
Doings.
Anyway, that breakfast by Iyanya and Auntie on top Naija FM 102.7 with day live and direct. Money runs with R&B.
And Beckably is.
So that song be like life experience.
Yeah.
So who serve you breakfast before you give us our breakfast shop?
Man, they don't serve me tire.
When you mean they don't serve you, somebody like Iyanya when we say if they perform, if he push it, guess they go gaga. How they want to serve you breakfast? Are you supposed to serve breakfast?
No, then they not me they serve.
Like when be your last relationship when break your heart?
Well, that one day.
Yeah. You don't tell when you do relationship.
We didn't break my heart.
Yeah, when they break your heart.
I don't remember but it day. Yeah, but they shall break my heart enough. We say.
Was it before Iyanya? Won't we know or after?
Before, after, till now. So they still they try break her.
They say they try and break her.
So who be the lady when they on board now whenever break your heart?
Nobody.
Yeah, think before you answer that question. Who be the lady who currently be on board now?
I just get
whenever break your
heart.
As
I did like this, I don't go lie. I get girlfriends. If you understand what in girlfriend mean, nice girls will be your friend.
Just friends.
Yeah, but I don't get anybody.
Sexual partner.
Now you know that one.
Yeah, we don't want.
I don't get. I don't get
the hottest bachelor.
I don't get anybody where go fit break my heart right now. My heart don't fit break.
Currently.
Don't super glue.
They don't break everything we're supposed to break inside.
But you don't use that dodge question when I ask. But more just this sincere right now. Who they on board, right? Because if be one person one Nigerian artist won't never hear.
The only thing I get now I cross. I get crush here.
You get people where you they crush on
here and there. Yeah, why we say I
just fear to talk to them. You never talk to them. Why? Why you never talk to them?
I never talk to them.
Oh, like give us 2 of your crush.
One of them.
Yeah.
I don't want to mention
Yeah, I'm sure you didn't have you talk to us. We didn't hear you.
One person where I get very serious crush on her. Her name na Ciara.
Now person wife.
Another person wife.
Leave people wife. Which Ciara? Ciara when do you?
Ciara when they dance. When they sing,
not be down.
Now I tell you,
not like you just mention that name. More, take calm down.
I don't tell
Ciara.
The girl name na Ciara. You know
what be her papa name?
You just ask me now.
Okay.
I tell. What be her papa name? I never ask her my son name.
I manage that they do this. Okay, so I still remember the hottest bachelor in the whole of Nigeria.
Baba, no put me for, no set me up, I beg. You know where I don't marry secretly.
Now there they go. Because lucky I know say yeah, be this person when you just get a happy home.
You don't born 3 children.
Baba,
see all the music.
Like marry finish, I don't
No,
know.
that means you don't marry. Anybody will talk like this don't marry. So if you the poor for yeah, body,
bro, I never marry you. I know you see ring for my. I know
not
even
everybody they wearing because I wear ring. I think come out.
Papa, you don't marry.
With 3 children.
Okay, so we not feel certain at this moment whether you don't marry.
No. I mean, I never marry because I just feel like every time we all these celeb marriages and relationships they public, you know they last.
The noise is too much attention. Everybody. Like now, if I don't marry now, I know if you go club, big one girl.
No, if you go club,
one girl will just see me for club, say, this guy, why I like his song, make I twerk on, I'm small. While at the house,
I don't have benefit when they get no value.
I know somebody will come just say, I see somebody we don't mind, they putting ash for nobody. I feel talking ash.
Just run.
At the end of the day, now I'll go out. I know if you sleep, they know cook for me.
These are the problem why Lagos men are not married.
So I prefer make it low key. Low key. I don't even want noise like.
So even when it happens, you're not going to let us know. You just be low key.
My brother, I guess when I guess.
Okay. As the people say, I guess with the crush on you past now. Based on that, you're whining. You get any exercise where they do, to because our Congolese brother, we say God bless them naturally with a flexible waist.
Yes,
so you get any exercise where they do every morning for your waist to be that flexible? Or nah, you understand? Natural.
I get exercise while I do.
Yeah. Okay.
You like let only her know?
No. Well, of course. Why?
Okay.
Now it's called sexercise.
Oh, now what do they make you? They do like this.
You go notice when it's slow. Look, you eyeball to eyeball. Yes.
That's exercise.
You find out.
Okay.
I did do exercise.
Because this man before, when we just started this show, you put camera for a face, they like to whine. But the point, family responsibility.
Yes.
Don't they make her whine?
Is it 3 children?
I'm fast approaching.
Is it 3 children? 3?
I wish.
I making it while they see. I making it. I say easy.
Responsibility don't make me.
Responsibility don't make her whine again. I want you ask you when you get the time when you they use.
3 children, you could have.
Not be joke. But now let me 13 track album.
Yeah.
I noticed one unique thing you do in all those tracks inside the album. You shoot video for almost every one of those songs.
All 13, yeah.
Like how long it take you and where these ideas still come from? I think that the first time we see somebody go release album, I know say that they do one for EP, but album shoot video for all of them.
I guys give you the credit for putting all this together.
We'll be frankly.
Yes. For putting all this together. It took us 3 days, and 3 days we take shoots to sketch.
Wow.
3 days.
Hold on, you get 13 tracks. You get 12 featured artists.
Yeah.
And it took you 3 days.
All of them come your house, come see your house.
No. All of them just come the sets.
Oh, okay.
They'll come the sets.
Naija FM.
Come like 5 people.
We come.
Come sets.
Okay.
When they come sets, we get caravan where everybody they stay.
Okay. Those movie motto went big.
Once we shoot your own, the next person will go.
Oh.
It will take us like 3 days.
So now the same location for all the videos.
No, they want this location. Day 2, the other one. Day 3, the other one.
Wow.
The next.
Now one video director used for the.
Yeah, Ochukolo of Lagos. Yeah.
A lot of work.
Yeah.
But you work with like I did try count to the producers where you work with.
Yeah.
Like almost 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Producers.
Weird One.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
Yeah,
Micron.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, so the album they are to top of streaming platforms
all platforms right now.
So you do listening party inside last week, right? On Friday.
Vanity.
Yeah.
I want to say shout out to everybody who come through
for you.
You know, it felt like the industry was there, man. So
to
much
just support,
so much love. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I want to ask right now, the year that they go fast before they go come to an end. Yeah. They get to experience an iyanya concert because I feel say you need to give us a concert.
Definitely.
Definitely. We will get to see that this year.
Definitely, by God's grace. Definitely this year before the year ends, because I will still drop some more collaborations. Some more music.
More music. You get what you talk, which I think we need to give you accolade for. Say you be one Nigerian artist when don't feature almost everybody. And I mean feature, you don't do some with Whiskey, you don't do with Davido, but the only person don't do with Burna Boy.
Never do
Burna Boy.
Me and Burna, I don't work on. The first time we did a song together was. The remix. Yeah, that was the first time I worked with
Kumaro.
Yeah, Kumaro.
That's Sean
Tilaman.
Tilaman. Yeah, that was way back. Yeah.
But I'm optimistic that we'll collaborate soon.
Okay.
So any other future collab? Okay, not only with Burna Boy, with the future collaboration.
I don't do it with everybody.
You don't do it with everybody. Kiss Daniel.
I'm talking about the other female artists. Then
you don't do with Tiwa now.
I don't do with Tiwa.
Yes, now.
I never do with
Simi now. Right?
Man, Simi are great artists. So.
You don't never do with Thames. You don't do with Thames.
No, you're on Thames go. You go mad.
So you never do with Thames.
And they go bring that your inner iyanya come outside.
Based on waiting.
Yeah, based on.
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Yes, just leave it like that.
I don't understand.
It's good as you don't understand them. So when you go do the record, the unexpected go.
You understand? Yeah. These people. All right. So you got any last words for your fans out there?
I just want to say thank you to my fans. You know, since 2008 till today. Yeah. You know, I feel blessed. Say people still want to listen. People still want to see me perform. You know. Now, something where I did very grateful for. I just want to say thank you so much. Stream the album, share the album. Feel free, make I know which songs where you want to see remixes
based
and all that
review.
stuff. Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thanks, man. I enjoyed myself.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.